Hello guys and welcome back. Today, I'm going to test Sonex glass polishing paste. Here we have my windshield who is absolutely trashed. Let's see, will it do something? I mean, it can't get worse than current state. I will use eccentric machine. You can use rotary or dual action or eccentric. Make sure you spray some water on windshield. It helps to keep temperature down and activates paste again. Not bad. At least 70% of the swirls and marks are removed. That's all for today. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. See you soon.